Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers. A is 5, B is 10, C is 15 and D is 20. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. As you can see here, we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first after the bracket. You have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to say the exponent and power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. So, first of all, we will write this one, which is this. So, according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. But in our expression, we do not have any bracket, so we will skip this one. Now, we have to solve the exponent part or power of any number. First, we have raised to power 2, and again we have the here raised to power 2. First of all, we will solve this one, 20 divided by 2 raised to power 2 means 2 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 4, and plus 4 and minus again 2 raised to power 2 means 4 multiplied by 1, and here we will give the reference raised to power 2 equals to 4. Now we have to solve, we have solved the exponent part. Now we have to go for multiplication and division, or you can say division and multiplication. So what we will do, we will go left to right in our expression and find out which is coming first. First we have this division, which is 20 divided by 4, which is equal to 5, plus 4 minus 4 multiplied by 1, we will write as it is now. And here we will give the reference 20 divided by 4 equals to 5. Now move forward again left to right. We will see which is coming first. So here we will have 5, 4 minus, we cannot subtract both of them because first we have this multiplication which is 4 multiplied by 1. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer is 4 1 the 4. Now we will give the reference 4 multiplied by 1 equals 2. Now move forward. Again we have to go left to right and find out addition and subtraction. Now we have addition, 5 plus 4 equals to 9, and minus 4 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 5 plus 4 equals to 9. So 5 plus 4 equals to 9. Now move forward to solve the, we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 5. So the answer of the given expression is 5. If you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I think you have understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.